In this chapter we studied Unit 4 Mensuration. Here first is area of rectangle. How to find out area of rectangle? So first upon draw this rectangle. This is length and this is breadth. Then this angle is AB. This rectangle is ABCD. Then rectangle is then perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus B, and area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Then second is area of square. How to find out area of square? Suppose this is the square as all sides are same, A. This is ABCD, ABCD is a square. Then perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side is equal to 4A, and area of square is equal to side square is equal to A square, and area of square is equal to 1/2 into diagonal square. Then third is area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is area of parallelogram. So opposite sides are parallel. It's called parallelogram. This is ABCD is a parallelogram. This is the height H. It is the length of parallelogram, and this is breadth. Hence, perimeter of parallelogram is equal to 2L plus B, and area of parallelogram is equal to base into height, base into height. Then fourth is area of rhombus. Rhombus looks like a diamond. All sides has equal length and opposite sides are parallel. Opposite side parallel and all sides equal length means rhombus is also a parallelogram. This D1 and it is D2. A, B, C, D. Hence, perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into side is equal to 4x, and area of rhombus is equal to base into altitude. Altitude means height. Base into height. Also, area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into product of diagonals. Product of diagonals means 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. D1 and d2 are the diagonals of this rhombus. Then 5 is area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Here, area of trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral having one pair has opposite side, parallel opposite side means AB CD is the trapezium. Hence, area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of this length means AB plus CD into height means H. It is area of trapezium. Then we give first example of this type. First example is the area of rectangular sheet is 500 centimeter square if the length of the sheet is 25 centimeter. What is its weight? Also find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. So first upon, given that area of rectangular sheet is equal to 500 centimeter square, and length L is equal to 25 centimeter. Then to find first is width. Width means its breadth B, and second also find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter is equal to. Then how to find this? First upon, we write down the formula. We have area, rectangular sheet means area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Means area of rectangle is 500, length is 25 centimeter into breadth, and B is equal to 500 upon 25. Hence B is equal to 20 centimeter. Then B is equal to 20 centimeter. Then we find out area, perimeter of rectangular. Also perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to 2L plus B. Here length is L is 25 and breadth is 20. So 2 into 45 is equal to 90 centimeter. Hence last we write width B is equal to 20 centimeter and perimeter is equal to 90 centimeter. Then we give the second example. Palak wants to fence. Palak wants to fence the garden in front of her house on 3 sides three sides with length 20 meter, 12 meter and 12 meter. Find the cost of fencing at the rate of Rs 150 per meter. First of all, we write that here length of fence. First of all, find out length of fence is equal to perimeter of the garden. But perimeter of garden is, perimeter means this three side addition, so 20 meter plus 12 meter plus 12 meter is equal to 44 meter. Hence, given the cost of fencing per meter is Rs 150. Hence, cost of fencing the garden is equal to 44 into 150 is equal to 6,600 Rs. Hence, cost of fencing the garden is equal to 6,600 Rs. Then we give third example. A door frame of dimensions 3 meter into 2 meter is fixed on the all of dimension 10 meter into 10 meter. Find the total labor charges for painting the wall if the labor charges for painting 1 meter square of the all is Rs 2.50. Then how to solve this equation? First of all, painting of all has to be done excluding the area of the door. Excluding the area of the door. Then first of all, find out area of door is equal to length into breadth. Means area of rectangle, length into breadth means here length is 3 and breadth is 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 meter square. Then find out area of all including door. Area of all including door is equal to 10 into 10 means is equal to 100 meter square. Then we subtracting this from this, hence area of all including door is equal to area all excluding the door is equal to area of all including door minus area of door, but area of all including door is 100 minus area of door 6, so 106 is equal to 94 meter square. But here as charge for 1 meter square is Rs 2.50, hence total labor charges for painting all is equal to 94 into 2.50 is equal to 235 Rs. Then we give fourth example. A wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 centimeter. If the wire is rebent into a rectangle of length 12 centimeter. Then find its breadth, which encloses more area. The square or the rectangle. Square of the rectangle. First upon here given that how to solve this. First upon given that side of square is equal to 10 centimeter, as wire is rebent into a rectangle. Rebent into a rectangle. Hence, length of wire is equal to perimeter of square. But perimeter of square is 4 into side. Hence 4 into this side 10 is equal to 40 centimeter. Hence length of wire is 40 centimeter. Then length of rectangle L is equal to 12 centimeter. Let B be the breadth of the rectangle. Breadth of rectangle. Then now here length of wire is 40 centimeter. Now perimeter of rectangle is equal to length of wire. Length of wire is equal to 40 centimeter. Length of wire 40 centimeter. Since perimeter of rectangle, which is the formula, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus breadth. Hence perimeter rectangles means 40. 2 length of rectangle is 12 plus breadth. Hence 14 upon 2 is equal to 12 plus b. 14 upon 2 is equal to 20 is equal to 12 plus b. Hence b is equal to 20 minus 12. Hence b is equal to 8 centimeter. Also, this is the breadth. Then also area of square is equal to side square means 10 square is equal to 100 centimeter square, and area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here length is 12 and we find out b is 8, since b is equal to 8 centimeter, and 12 into 8 96 centimeter square. So the area encloses more than more area, even though its perimeter is the same as that of rectangle. Top rectangle. Then we give next example. The area of a square and a rectangle are equal if the side of the square is 40 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeter. Then find the length of the rectangle. Also find the perimeter of the rectangle. Solution. First upon, area of square is equal to side square. Here side of square is 40, so 40 square is equal to 6 centimeter square, 1600. It is given that area of square and area of rectangle are equal, hence the area of rectangle is equal to area of square. Hence area of rectangle is equal to area of square means 1600 centimeters square. Let L be the length of the rectangle. Length of rectangle. Then and breadth of the rectangle B is equal to 25 centimeter. Then now area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, but area of rectangle is 1600 and length breadth is 25 centimeter. Hence length is equal to 1600 upon 25 and is equal to 5 5 5 25 3 15 5 2 10 5 6 30 and 64 length is equal to 64 centimeter. Also find the length of rectangle. Then perimeter of rectangle, how to find length is, and also perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus B is equal to 264 plus breadth is 25 and 64 plus 25 is equal to 6 plus 8. 2 into 89 is equal to 178 centimeter. This is perimeter of rectangle. So the perimeter of the rectangle perimeter of rectangle is 178 centimeter, even though its area is the same as that of square. Now we give 6 example. Sixth example is a rectangular park is 55-meter long and 40 meter wide. A path 2.5 meter wide is constructed outside the park. Then find the area of the path. Suppose this is the rectangular path is 55 meter long and 40 meter wide. Is this 40 meter? Then this distance is 2.5 meter wide. 2.5 meter wide. This is PQRS and this rectangle is ABCD. Then first of all, how to solve this? Let ABCD is the rectangular part, represents the rectangular park. And shaded regions means these shaded regions and shaded region show the path .5 meter wide. First of all, given that length of the park ABCD, length of the park L is equal to length of park is 55 meter and breadth of the park B is equal to 40 meter. Then area is this into this, L into B. Then area, hence area of rectangular park ABCD is equal to length into breadth is equal to 55 length 55 into 40 is equal to 2200 meter square. Now length of rectangular path length of rectangular park PQRS is equal to 55 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 and it's equal to 2.5 plus 2.5 55 plus 5 is equal to 60 meter. and breadth of rectangular park. PQRS is equal to, breadth means 40 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, and 40 plus 5 is equal to 45 meter. Hence area of rectangular is 60 into 45. Hence area of rectangular park PQRS is equal to 60 into 45 is equal to 2700 meters square. Hence, how here find out area of path, but area of path is equal to area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD, but area of rectangle PQRS is 2700 and area of ABCD is 2200 is equal to 500 meters square. Hence area of path is 500 meters square.